Welcome back to Casper Curates. We are back with yet another video to know the modes of the DJI Neo Mini drone. So this is our DJI Neo Mini drone. Here you can see this is the gimbal. So this is the gimbal with which we will capture the view, all the photos and the videos. Now we will look here. Here which you can see right below the branding of the DJI Neo drone. This button here is the power on power off button, and this button here is to toggle between the modes of the DJI Neo drone. So now we will one by one have a look at right from power on and power off button of this DJI Neo drone. So right now how to switch on the DJI Neo Mini drone. You just need to press this button once and then long press it till these lights come till here. Now the propellers are moving, which means that the drone is now activated. The first light which you can see here, that is the follow mode. So now if I want to give the instructions to this drone, firstly, how do I use it with the phone? You need to download the DJI Fly app. And here you get the option of connect. So once you get in the DJI Fly app, you need to see that you can find your device here and connect option is given here. You just need to select connect. So here you can see there is this start option, by long pressing which you can actually activate the follow, drone, circle, rocket, spotlight and direction track. And this is your return to home button. So now we will first show you the follow mode. So this starts with a palm takeoff. So this is the palm takeoff example. Now I am starting the follow mode by using the handset.
3, 2, 1.
We will look at the next mode, which is the drone mode. This is the palm landing. Now we will look at another mode, which is the circle.
2, 1.
Now we will look at the rocket mode. So one difference in the direction track and the follow mode, when I am on the follow mode, it will come to me when I am moving backwards. It will come to me. But if I am moving towards the drone, it will not go behind. So now let us have a look at the direction track. If I am moving back suddenly and I start walking towards the drone, will direction track mode help the drone to go behind when I am walking towards the drone? Let's have a look. So now we are having a look at the direction track mode. So now you can notice that when I'm walking towards the drone and I am the subject of this gimbal, so the drone is actually moving backwards. And when I'm walking behind, the drone is also coming towards me. So let me turn my back and check if the drone still follows me while I am actually walking. Now I am actually making it come to me. So it's not coming to me. So this is the direction tracking which is on. Now I am moving towards the gimbal. It is going back. Now I'll try to do a palm landing. No, but it's going on top. And now what I will do is I will perform a land. Now we are looking at another mode which is the spotlight mode. So in this mode, the gimbal will keep me in the spotlight. So wherever I move, the gimbal will rotate its direction accordingly. So if I am moving this side, the gimbal will still keep me in the spotlight. If I am moving this side, the gimbal will still keep me in the spotlight and it will not change its position. So suppose say if I am moving ahead, is it coming to me? No, it's not coming to me. It is just remaining in one position and I am moving backward till the time I am in the vision of the gimbal of this drone. It will not move. And let me check if I am going behind this tree, is it still able to recognize? Yes, I can see it in my handset that I am still a subject which the gimbal is actually able to recognize even when I'm coming from behind the tree. But it is not changing its position, it is at the same position. So now we have looked at all the modes of this DJI Neo Mini drone. So we checked all the modes and all the manual control as well. We operated it using our handset from the DJI Fly app. On the DJI Fly app, you can actually control it manually. But as I have mentioned in the unboxing video as well, that from the handset, its altitude remains restricted when you are actually taking it off. We also saw the palm takeoff, we saw the palm landing, we explored all the follow modes, direction tracking, the difference in the follow mode and direction tracking, spotlight, circle, drone, rocket. We saw each and every mode. And we also checked its runtime. So on a proper runtime, before it indicates a low battery on the DJI Fly app on your handset, it worked until it was 3% and the time that it actually flew in the air was 12 minutes, 12 proper minutes until it gives a low battery indication on the DJI Fly app. So hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, then please do like, share, comment if you have any doubts. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and I'll see you soon in the next one.